Hi, gang! Poppy's Workshop. Look what just arrived in the mail. An Easy View DRO. 1 each, 12 inch. Nice, isn't it? Reader head. This is all the stuff comes in. Look at it. 4 batteries. This here and this here. They're plastic. I mean, it's some serious plastic, but it's still plastic. Okay, now this comes separate unless you order the set with it. The power supply. You don't seriously expect anyone who's going to use this unit for longer than just to make a video for YouTube. You want power. Here we are. Plug you in. Hey, look. There we go. Inch. Well, it seems to indicate stuff. Okay. Here's where the batteries go. This is a couple of magnets. Here's quarter 20. Here's where a quarter 20 screw will go into so that you can screw 2 of them together. There's your USB port. They made it just different enough so you have to buy their cord. Well, that's the modern business model, isn't it? Don't use standard parts if you can make a proprietary part. Oh well, what can I say? They're making money. I'm squeaking by, spending my allowance on stuff so I can make a video. Well, next with this, we show attaching it to the shear line milling machine. Yes, we do.